This is a classic rechargeable lamp we made using an old standing fan. As you can see how beautiful this is looking. So how do we now power this stuff? The wires are passed from the inside, and we will still use an LED bulbs we made ourselves. So coming to this side, you can see this, the battery system. This the typical converter, and we use a lithium ion batteries to power up the whole thing. And today let's test and see how this works. There's a plug for the light, then let's see how it goes. So you can see it's working no matter where you live, no matter what you have. It's beautiful. I believe you can make this using the materials available at your disposal. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. So you can see how beautiful it's looking. Actually, you can design it and make it yourself. It's very simple to make, just your normal electrical installations. Inside we have an LED bulb. Then the whole setup is just a 6 volts bulb that you can do yourself. Thanks for watching.